commonly used industrial equipment for filtration. One is discontinuous pressure filters, that is plate and frame filter press and cell and leaf filters. Second, continuous vacuum filters. Vacuum filters are simple and reliable mechanisms and therefore have gained wide acceptance in the chemical, food and pharmaceutical industries. They are rotary drum filter, horizontal belt filters. Third one, centrifugal filters. Solids that form porous cake can be separated from liquids in the filtering centrifuge used extensively in sugar refining, that is top suspended batch centrifuge. Plate and filter press. Please see the figure. The figure have end plate, frame, plate, so washing liquid line, feed liquid line, filtrate outlet line, support bar, center screw for tightening the plate and frame. So filter presses work in a batch manner. The plates are clamped together. Then the pump starts feeding the slurry into the filter press to complete the filtering cycle and produce a batch of solid filtered material called filter cake. A filter press uses increased pump pressure to maximize the rate of filtration. That is, if time increases, deposition of cake will increase. Once the deposition of cake increases, the flow of clear liquid passing through the cake is less, so filtrate volume decrease. So if we want more in filtrate volume, we increase the pressure of the entering fluid. Due to pressure, clear liquids are easily passed through the cake, then filtrate volume will increase. Plate and filter press made up of two units known respectively plate and frames with the filter medium, usually filter cloth between the two. So filter cloth is fixed between plate and frame. The frame is open with an inlet for the slurry, while the plate has grooved surface to support the filter cloth and with outlet for the filtrate. Then we are going for operation. The slurry enters the frame from the feed channel. The filtrate passes through the filter medium on to the surface of the plate while the solids form filter cake in the frame. The filter then drains down the surface of the plate between the projection and the surface and escape from the outlet. Filtration is continued until the frame is filled with filter cake. When the process is stopped, the frames are emptied, cleaned, and the cycles are restarted. Channels for the slurry inlet and the filtrate outlet can be arranged by fitting eyes to the plate and frames. This has an advantage that the filtrate from each plate can be seen, and in the event of broken cloth, the faulty plate can be isolated and the filtration continued with one plate less. The thickness of the cake can be varied by using frames of different thickness, and in general, there will be an optimum thickness of the filter cake for any slurry, depending on the solid content of the slurry and the resistance of the filter cake. As filtration proceeds, the resistance of the cake increase and the filtration rate will decrease. At a certain point, it will be favorable in terms of the overall output of the process to stop and empty the press rather than the continued filtration at a very flow rate. Plate and frames may be made in various metals to provide resistance to corrosion or prevent metallic contamination on the product. Non-metals, example plastic is lighter, also variety as a wood are satisfactory materials for construction. Plate and frames may be of considerable size of about 1 meter square. Advantages of plate and frame filters. Advantages. Construction is very simple and wide variety of material can be used. It provides large filtering area in a relatively small floor space. It is versatile, the capacity being variable according to the thickness of the frames and the number used. The construction permits the use of considerable pressure difference. Efficient washing of the cake is possible. Operation and maintenance is straightforward because there are no moving parts and filter cloths are easily renewable and because all the joints are external, any leaks are visible and do not contaminate the filtrate. Disadvantages. It is a batch filter, so it is a time consuming process. The filter press is an expensive filter. The emptying time, the labor involved, and the wear and tear of the cloth resulting high cost. Operation is critical as the frame should be full, otherwise washing is inefficient and the cake is difficult to remove. The filter press is used for slurries containing less than 5% of solids. In a view of a high labor cost, it is more suitable for expensive materials. Example, the removal of precipitated proteins from insulin liquors. Cell and leaf filter. Description of cell and leaf filter. In this horizontal pressure leaf filter, jacketing and cloth envelope filters are optional. There are two hydraulic cylinders to open and close the special buoyant wedge lock closer, which is provided in the lid. The retractable filtered cell is mounted on four external wheels and all nozzles connections are mounted on fixed head of filter vessel. Appropriate interlocking is also a key feature of this type of horizontal pressure filter. Range, it is available in 5 square meter to 250 square meter. What is the advantages of this filter press? This is nil spillage as a result of close and compact operation. No use of filtered cloth reduce operational expense. High productivity due to high rate of filtration. Cheap and economical operational cost. Highly user friendly. These are the internal structure of cell and leaf filter. Commonly used industrial equipment for filtration. The drum is supported by a large diameter tuning on the valve and the bearing on the drive. The drum face is divided into circumferential sector and forming a separate vacuum cell. The internal piping that is connected to each sector passes through the trunnion and ends up with a wear plate having ports that correspond to the number of sectors. Rotary vacuum filter, that is our rotary filter. In a large scale operation, continuous operation is sometimes desirable and it may be necessary to filter slurries containing high proportion of solids. The rotary filter is continuous in operation and has a system of removing the cake that is formed, so it is suitable for use with the concentrated slurries. It is a metal cylindrical mounted horizontally, the curved surface being a free-forked plate supporting a filter cloth. Internally, it is divided into several sectors and a separate connection is made between each sector and a special rotary valve. These are the internal structure of cell and leaf filter. Summary of the process. The drum is dipped into the slurry and vacuum applied on the outlet, which is connected to the filtered receiver. When the cake is formed, the cake drained or partially dried from vacuum. The cake is sprayed with water to wash cake. Retained the vacuum connection drains the cake and produced partial dryness then removed by a doctor's knife. When the solids of the slurry are too much, that the filter cloth becomes blocked with a particle, a free coat filter may be used. A free coat filter aid is deposited on the drum prior to the filtration process. Uses. The rotary filter for continuous operation of large quantity of slurry. Suitable for slurry contains considerable amount of solids in the range 15 to 30%. Example of pharmaceutical application include the collection of calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate and starch, and the separation by mycelium from the fermentation liquids in the manufacturing of antibiotics.